So how do you get around your presentation? Well, you'll see below there's forward and back buttons, so I can roam around. But if I want to go and jump back to the first slide, I can click on the slide number. Boop, we're back to the beginning. There's also a few things you can do on the right to make it appear a little different to you and your students. You could click on the plus sign over here on the right, way to the right of where the slide and forward button is. You can zoom in and you can see it gets very large. You might not need to do that. You can zoom back. There's also something that's called fit to width. I think we're already as extended to the left and right as we can be, so that doesn't do anything. The final X and in this final right corner is a way to make your whole presentation, the whole screen, but that only affects you, not your students. So I just wanted you to know what affects your students and what doesn't. All right, let's go to the next slide again. We have a question and we have 3 different answers. And Meetings has a really interesting option that it provides for you. If your slides have a question and have one, well, you wouldn't want one. You could have 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 choices, A, B, C, D, E. You can automatically generate a poll. So let's do that. Let's ask this question of our students. So what I'm going to do is, since I already have this pre-formatted question and answers, I have a new little circle that's popped up that looks like a poll. I can click on it and I can choose A, B, C, and you'll see on the left that there's a poll that is showing when the students are responding and what their responses are. So what they're seeing is 3 little buttons on the right that they can choose from. You can publish the results or not. So let's click on the publish polling results. Woohoo! So we can see that one person thought that A was correct and one thought C, all the above, was correct. It's aggregating all the answers. It won't embarrass anyone. You're the only one who knows who answered how. Well, what if I want to discuss this a little further? Now I can go back to my little whiteboard and let's click on the drawing tool. I could change the color if I want, and let's circle the correct answer. And we could discuss why this is important. That your students have all sorts of different devices they can use, but there's certain web browsers that they should use instead. So your students will see the published results and they'll see whatever you draw. I'm going to turn that off again, the writing tool, and click on the hand. I could also get rid of whatever I wrote and the polling results by clicking on the undo button, or I could clear everything using the trash can. It's all cleaned up.